So welcome back, programmer. Now we are going to work in the module start game. While starting the game, we have to first identify that which player turn is now. So I have to declare the variable team turn as integer, and at first, of course, the player one is going to be the first person to play the game, and now I'm going to initialize the uh, win is boolean. uh, win means that whether the game is win by somebody or not. So we have to make a variable for whether the game is finished or not. So here I'm going to create a while loop for repeatedly launching the game. So while win equals false, when the game is not win means win equals false, we are going to repeat our loop again and again. So now if turn equals 1, then if the turn is for player 1, then we are going to display our board. So display board, sorry, display board. So when the board is set to be displayed, it returns a position. So I have to declare another variable, pos position. So when this board is displayed, we have to get the position, and user get the platform to input the position where the where you want to put is mark. So I'm going to code on the function called function display board, and it is not going to get anything age integer. It is going to return the position of the uh, place position where the user want to put is where the user wanted to put is marks. So our display board is going to work like this. So at first, the user should get interacted with the board that he is playing. So the option, the current board is, and now I'm going to display the whole board like this much space. So this is for designing. So I'm going to make a rough design for this board. Math 0,0 and I think this much space is far enough. And math 0, 1 and I think I'm going to need the same thing. So I've copied it and pasted it. 0,2. So I'm going to copy these things again and again. I don't know why it is showing warning. Oh, I forgot to put here bracket and another. So this is 1,0, this is 2,0. So 1,1. So after putting this, our board is going to display. So let's check our program up to this much. So I'm going to return 1 for now. What happens if we run this code? Okay, it is showing our current board infinitely because loop has not terminated, so it will display until my RAM is full. So I'm going to stop it. Okay, up to now our code looks perfectly fine. So this is the board. So now we're going to display another board, like the place for putting your location, putting your I'm so sorry, the place to put your mark for the each player. So console.writeline, mm, please enter the number where you want to place your mark means like the X or O. So tictactoe is basically the game for X and O. So I'm writing the board. I'm so sorry. So I'm going to repeatedly copy this line. So I'm going to uh, declare another variable for getting the position. Position is this must be, I guess, string. So as we have to declare this position as a string, so I'm going to declare here position is string. Is far enough good for it is putting as position as an integer in dot read line. So now we are going to return the position. So this is how where you are going to uh, place your X or O. So the board will look like this, and if you enter value 2, then if the player is player 1, so uh, it is going to set like this works as position 1, this works as 1, this work is 2, this work is 3, this work is 4, this work is 5, this is work is 6. Although it is not like two-dimensional array doesn't works like this, but still I'm going to manage somehow. The code will run like this. So the position will return to the pose variable of this module start game from the display word position. So it will store position in the variable pos. So I'm going to store in the board in the another video. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'm going to uh, make more video on the same topic again and again, so don't forget.